Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Kokie Cosmetics Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray. And I got this in Ipsy because I redeemed points for it. And I'm really excited to try this out. I love a hydrating setting spray for when I'm wearing a full face of makeup, but then my skin starts to get dry, and it can be so difficult to hydrate the dry areas on my face when I'm wearing my full makeup. So like if my chin gets dry, I don't want to have to take off all of my makeup, put on more moisturizer just to put on the makeup again. So a hydrating setting spray can be perfect at refreshing, rehydrating my skin and my makeup. So I'm hopeful that this is going to be able to do that for me, because right now my makeup is definitely at that point where it's starting to get dry. It could definitely use a refresh. It's looking matte. And I also love trying out Kokie Kokie Cosmetics products. They're affordable. This is only $8. I think you can get it at Rite Aid, maybe Walmart, a few different places I saw online. It says to shake well. And it's hydrating, dewy finish. It's supposed to extend makeup wear time. All right, so I shook it up, and first I'm going to test out the spray bottle. Oh, that seems pretty good. Pretty light mist, and it doesn't seem to spit too much. Oh, and it has a slight smell to it. Like a fresh smell. All right, let's see what this does for my skin and my makeup. Ooh, I actually really like this spray bottle because it doesn't give such a fine mist that I feel like there's barely any product moisture on my skin. It does a really good job of kind of soaking my face, which is honestly what I want my setting sprays to be like, but it doesn't squirt little blobs. Like it's an even soaking of my face, if that makes sense. And then I can feel it drying down relatively quickly. Like it's not so soaked that I feel like I have to sit in front of the fan 5 minutes or wait too long for it to settle into my face. I usually do just take a piece of paper, and fan my setting spray dry. But I love that this does not take too long at all. And okay, do we see a difference? D-E-W, we see a difference? I would say yes. It definitely refreshed my skin and my makeup. I feel like you can see a lot more glow to my skin. Like it looks like it melted the makeup into my skin, smoothed it out, makes it look much more skin-like. Oh my gosh, awesome. It seriously did exactly what I was hoping for. It didn't alter the makeup at all. It didn't leave any little splotches of any drip marks, if that makes sense. I mean, the coverage, everything looks the same except for just smoother and a little bit more glowy, a little bit more dewy. And my face definitely feels more hydrated right now as well. Wow, I am very excited to see that this did exactly what I had hoped. And for only $8, this kind of reminds me of like a Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. I love that one, but to me, I could just use this one and get that same effect. And this is 2.02 fluid ounces. So once I finish this, this is the type of spray bottle that I will keep and then refill with other setting sprays in the future because it's travel friendly. It's less than the 3 ounces, so you can put it in a carry-on bag, and it's just like a nice small compact size. but I seriously love this sprayer. And that makes such a big difference in how I feel about a setting spray too. Oh, and one other thing I just want to mention is now that I've like sprayed it all over my face, I don't actually notice any scent to it. Even right after I sprayed it, it doesn't have any really noticeable scent, fragrance, anything like that. And that can also be something that can like make or break a setting spray too, in my opinion, if it's too strong of a scent or smells bad for whatever reason, which honestly I do not love the smell of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, speaking of. But this, I seriously have no complaints about. I am so excited about it. So if you've tried it out, I would love to hear your thoughts on the Kokie Refresh Hydrating Setting Spray in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.